We are currently the furthest point from the sun that we will be all year. So the Earth orbits around the center of the solar system, a location very close to the sun, and it does this at an average distance of 93 million miles. However, this distance is not constant. That's because Earth's orbit around the center of the solar system is not a perfect circle, it's a very slight ellipse, sort of an oval shape. This means at the Earth's closest point to the sun, that actually happens on the 3rd of January, we're at a distance of 91.5 million miles from the sun, whereas this week, yesterday, July 6th, we are at a distance of 94.5 million miles from the sun, the furthest distance that we get, and this is a point in space we call the apogee. So the apogee, our furthest distance, happens in July, and perigee, our closest distance, happens in January. Now this seems counterintuitive, right? For us in the northern hemisphere, it's the peak of summer, so how can we be at our furthest point away from the sun when the amount of radiation we receive from the sun is at its lowest? Well, remember that's because seasons are not caused by physical distance to the sun. The seasons are caused because the Earth's tilt, and that Earth's tilt changes the angle at which we receive sunlight. And that is way more impactful than these 3 extra million miles towards and away from the sun that we experience throughout the year.